think we're going to do a little stick welding tonight. Okay, going to run some 6011 3/16 of an inch. No, pardon me, 3/32 of an inch with the Yeswelder on 90 amps, which is it's a little difficult to start these. How do I get the clamps? It's set up for it. Put the ground clamp on there. Steer set up. Just gonna run a couple stringers to see if I can, because I got 6010s coming. They tell me you can't run them on a Yeswelder 250 Pro, but we'll see. I seen some guy did online, so I got 4 pounds coming. I gotta throw them out, but let's see. Keep running hot. Okay. I'll tell you, it's a lot better than I tried a year ago. A year ago, I couldn't even maintain an arc. That's actually the upper end. I should calm the heck down here. Let me take it down to 80. 80 amps. Oh, down. 80 amps. Okay, we're at 80. I didn't burn that hole. I drilled it. So it's ironic. I ended up ending there. What I did is I sharpened a bit. I was doing some kind of project, and I sharpened a bit of my grinder, and I tested it on this plate. And wouldn't you know it, I ended right at that hole. Okay. What I tell you. I had such a hard time a year and a half ago. Actually, a year ago. Let me drop it to 75. 75 amps. I'm almost at a plate here, so. So we're going to leave it at that. I like the way those 6011s smell. You know, some diesel mechanics like the smell of oil. Carpenters like me, I like the smell of fresh cut Douglas fir. And now that I'm practicing with welding and stuff again after many years, I actually have some favorites. I like the way they smell. My wife doesn't. She's like, "What are you stinking? What's that smell? I gotta turn the fan on." But you know what? It's a hobby. It's all it is for me. I just love. I've had a fascination with sticking stuff together, whether it be wood or metal, for half a century. And I don't know. I just like goofing off, you know. Sometimes you get beads like that. Sometimes you get a train wreck. So, you know, like this here. That's a train wreck. Look at this. This is like from a year ago. And I got a whole pile of victims over here. Let me take the filter off. Yeah, so I got a whole pile of victims of practice. You know, different rods, different processes. I really haven't done any TIG, lift TIG, because I don't know how much regular straight up argon I got left. For whatever reason, I can't read the gauges accurate on it. The way I'm looking at it, it looks like I'm almost out. And I just bought the damn thing. But the lift arc, the lift TIG I have, I really don't like the way you have to have a knob on the TIG torch to open the gas valve up, because it wastes a lot of argon. And I need practice with this other shit anyway, so there's that. And I just like practice. I'll come down here when I'm stressed out or when I'm bored, and then I'll make a pile of coupons. So that's it. Are you still warm? No, these are cold. This is tonight's SP100 Mig with argon CO2. Both of these. These are the first ones I labeled it. I can see I need practice with them. And this I went back to stick just for the heck of it. And there's that. And there's my lens that I took off a $20 welding helmet. And you see there's a filter over that. So and there's my Yeswelder. What I gotta find is a conversion chart from metric to inches to measure the inch speed on the MIG, so I could dial it in better. I gotta find a chart, or I gotta make a Excel spreadsheet and then hang it up on the wall like I did with that there. So I could just glance up at it and say, okay, I need this many inches, because I bought a aluminum MIG spool gun. I've had this for a week. I haven't had the guts to open it yet and try it, because I want to find a chart for aluminum for a spool gun for this. Now that I have the spool gun and the aluminum and the straight argon, I don't want to waste my time. I want to get a chart and convert metric centimeters to inches for the speed. That way, I'm not just chancing it. So I know where I'm at. Because this is all metric, this machine. This is a Chinesium. It's a good welder. I've had it over a year. It's done everything I asked for it. So, you know, but I took practice. I'm getting better and better, a little bit at a time. I don't practice as often as I should. I only practice maybe a couple hours a week, if that. So that's all I'm saying tonight. Yeah, you can almost see the fumes hanging in the air. So that's it. Everything's packed away. Got the two welders set over there. Got the dead plier there, that welder. I've had it there for a long time. These are more recent. And the best thing I did was put wheels on this table. Harbor Freight. I could just wheel it in. Under my workbench, that's beautiful. I like that. Out of my way. 6011's back. 330 seconds, that's gonna go there. My wife said, I have like a welding store here with my selection of rods and my chart. And I got 7014s here. So that's it. This is my thing. I love my workbench too. Aluminum top. Nothing sticks to it. This goes there. And that's it. Yeah, this is the flux core I took out. I took this out of the Lincoln. 030 flux core. I should get 035. Because that's just supposed to run on it. But it works. Okay, hit the lights and get upstairs. Oh, also I'm going to put 2 more shop lights across here. I have them in the shed, but oh, it's okay. I love my little workbench shop.